and welcome back to the D4U USA channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. I am so glad that you are here because we are immigration experts helping entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business and their investment and their profession. I'm attorney Mari Ribeiro, a lawyer licensed in Florida, and in a lot of our videos that we share with you, we often mention approvals with or without RFEs, and today we're going to highlight what is an RFE along with other responses that immigration officers can give to an application. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it's important that you understand I am not your attorney unless we have an agreement that says otherwise. So everything we talk about is not to be considered as legal advice and is only to be for your educational purposes only. Now, this is because every one of you and your situation is unique, and that's why I invite you to reach out to us so that we can give you personalized attention and guidance on how you can live your American dream through your profession. Now, let's jump in. When you submit your immigration petition to the U.S. Immigration Office, there are a few ways in which the immigration officer can respond, and that's what we're going to talk about today. The immigration officer has the option to immediately approve your application, which is obviously the best case scenario. On the other hand, the immigration officer can send a letter of an intent to deny your application based on you being fundamentally ineligible for the application that you've submitted. The letter will include reasons for the officer's intent to deny your application. So while the letter does explain the reasoning for the officer's plan to deny your application, it still gives you an opportunity to correct any issues that they find and avoid this denial. Another option that the immigration officer has is that they can respond to an application with what's called an RFE, a request for evidence, which is what we mentioned in many of our prior videos. An RFE does not mean that there's an intent to deny, but rather that the immigration officer is asking for more information to make a determination on your application. RFEs are pretty common, and more than 70% of applications receive a request for evidence, an RFE. Now, another option is a denial. However, a denial of an application can only happen after the immigration officer sends an RFE or a notice with the intent to deny. So why do we so often mention an approval with or without an RFE? Because any approval is a cause for celebration. This means that these applicants are on their way to living their American dream. We hope you found this video helpful, and of course, if you need help on your way to living your American dream, don't forget to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to support. We'll see you on the next video.